Today I'll walk you through how to edit scenario variables mid-workflow in Make, the powerful automation platform that lets you connect apps, move data, and build complex workflows without writing a single line of code. If you find this helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, a quick refresher on what scenario variables actually are. Think of them as temporary data buckets that live inside your scenario while it's running. You create them using the Tools module, and they're perfect for storing a piece of information early in your workflow that you want to reference or reuse later on. What makes them so useful is that they're dynamic, and that's exactly what we're going to take advantage of today. Now, here's the part that trips people up when they're new to this. If you want to update a variable's value at a later point in your scenario, you don't go back and edit the original module that created it. That would only change what the variable holds from the very start. Instead, Make's approach is to overwrite it, and you do that by placing a brand new set variable module further down the line. To do this, find the point in your workflow where you want the variable's value to change. Click the small plus icon between your modules to insert a new step. Then open the Tools module. It's the purple gear icon in the module picker. From there, select either Set Variable or Set Multiple Variables, depending on whether you need to update one field or several at once. Once the module opens, the most important detail is the name field. You need to type the exact same name you gave your variable when you first created it. Make is case sensitive here, so take a second to double check your spelling. If the names don't match perfectly, Make will create an entirely new variable rather than updating the existing one. And that's a frustrating bug to track down. Then set the new value. You can enter a static piece of text, pull in output from any preceding module, or even build a formula right in that field. From this point forward in your scenario, every module that references this variable will automatically receive the updated value instead of the original one. And that's it. You now know exactly how to overwrite a scenario variable mid-workflow in Make without touching your original setup. It's a small technique, but it gives your automations a lot more flexibility. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.